Yo guys, check out the new garage setup. Got the Yamaha Outcast 4S. Got a little crawler there. Something to muck around with, you know. Got the Rustler 4x4 VXL. Thing's a bit beat up. Got the Bigfoot, 2 wheels, some tools, nice tables. Oh, what do we have here? Little puppy. Ooh, whoop, boo. Little puppies here in the house. Got a big puppy, another little puppy. They're loving it. They're loving the new setup. Whoop. Got the chair. Got the tools. Got the garage set up. Got the cars, got the dogs, everything you need to make repairs. Charge batteries. Play with the car. Hey buddy. He's a bit camera shy. Whoa, big yawn. Buddy, he's up. Big boy is up. Hey buddy. You want to play some cars? I think that's what we're going to do, guys. We're going to play some cars. Charge some batteries. Give the dog some exercise. Yeah, he wants to chase them already. He's like, where's the cars? How come they're not going yet? They love them, guys. Yeah, if you want to see more of the Yamaha Outcast 4x4 4S, new one, just comment, like, subscribe to the video. Got a bit of crawler action. That's a pretty good crawler, that one. Got the Rustler 4x4 VXL. And the Bigfoot. And the puppies. And the other puppies are gone. Yeah. See you later, guys.